Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can keep your battery health really good on your Android mobile, and that too how to keep battery health 100%. So I received a comment asking me something like how to maintain this battery as the 100%. Right now see 75%. When it is fully charged it shows as 100%. So how we can keep, but the basic function of this battery is to discharge. So even if you keep to 100%, it gets discharged slowly, but our aim is to maximize the battery efficiency. And we can how Okay, what are the ways to optimize this? The first one is keep your phone in good temperature. Means avoid extreme temperatures. When your phone is in heating mode, for example, if you're playing high-end graphic games for a longer period of time, there are chances that your battery may drain quickly. So don't overcharge also. Means as soon as it gets 100%, try to remove the charging. Okay, regular usage of phone also will make your phone really good. Means regular usage, daily usage will maintain your battery health really good. And there is one option right on your Android mobile. See here, when you scroll down there will be a battery option here. You need to tap on this. As soon as you tap on this gets the battery gets optimized. But if you want to see the more options here, press and hold here, and you will get battery optimization options. There are a lot of options. If there is no option here, you need to click on your phone settings, and then here you can search for battery, and then the same settings will be open for you. Okay, see here, battery. So here there are lot of options. First of all, just analyze which app is using more of your battery. So Instagram is 38%, so you can make a optimization for this. So see here, these are the optimization options. Just by clicking this one button, your phone battery gets optimized. So it is asking me to turn on auto brightness, because when you keep your brightness low, see here, low, your battery life will be more. That is obvious. So you, if you want to save the power, you can click on these options. When you click on this option, all these actions will be done for you. The phone will be in dark mode. If there is personal hotspot on, it will off it. If the location service is on, it will off it. It will disable the background running. But few apps will be using background running, means for to receive messages or to receive alerts. So you can yes, make double sure to use these options. But if you use this option, your battery will be in really good state. Facing upon this, you can take the actions and click on back button and click on power saving mode. See, by default this option will be disabled for you. If you want, you can enable it. Once you enable it, your battery gets in power saving mode. So yeah, default optimizations you can check: reduce screen brightness, this is already we discussed, and super power saving mode. So what is this? System performance will be reduced, and you will only to run few apps at a time. So yes, this is an option, but it is absolutely your choice. So you can click on back button, and you can click on more settings, and here performance mode. So yes, by default this will be this one. Okay, screen battery optimization. So if you click on this, there will be option like 10% age of extra battery life. So if you on the screen battery percentage optimization, so app quick freeze, app freezer means the apps which are very less used by our phone, we may keep those apps in the freeze mode. So automatically freeze idle apps in the sense which are not having any background activity, or such apps will be freezed. Frozen apps no longer use power, cannot send or receive messages or read phone information in the background. But yeah, if there is a messaging app, we can't turn on this option. If that particular app is not a messaging app or something like that, which not receives any messages, alerts or something like that, we can turn them on. This is absolutely your choice. So in this way we can tweak a few settings and make our Android battery really work a bit longer. And one more thing you need to remember is you need to use your original chargers and make sure you have enough signal. If you have poor network, better you can turn on this airplane mode so that battery won't be consumed, and there should be enough space left over on your mobile to have a really good battery health. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.